guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making coconut cream pie. This recipe is really easy. The pie crust we are not going to be making today. It is homemade, but we have had it frozen, so if you'd like to see how to do that, a link will be in the description. And this is made in the microwave actually, so it's a lot quicker and easier, and but it still is really delicious.
And homemade.
Yeah. Before we start this video, make sure you check out the links in the description to our social medias, and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. So your pie crust can be an 8 or a 9-inch pie crust. It can be homemade or store-bought, but you want to bake it before you make your pudding. So I just poked holes in it and baked it at 425 for 12 minutes. If you want a good homemade recipe for a crust, just click this right corner here. Okay, so we'll start out. I've already got this measured out. 4 heaping tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. So I've got that added in here. I'm going to put that in this glass dish. I got 1 cup of granulated sugar. So I'm going to stir those together. And then we're going to add 3 cups of milk. And just you kind of gradually add it, get it stirred with the whisk. And we're going to cook this in the microwave. It's a lot easier than having to stir it the whole time on the stove. The microwave and cook it on high for about 5 minutes. And then we'll stir it and then cook it a little bit longer. Okay, 5 minutes is up. I'm going to stir it, and we're going to put it back in for about another 5 minutes. So while that's cooking, we're going to start the meringue that goes on top. I have 4 egg whites in here, so we'll be adding the egg yolk soon to the pudding. But here's the 4 egg whites, so I'm going to go ahead and beat them. I beat them for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, until they're just kind of stiff. So you want to do that before you add the sugar. 1/2 cup of sugar, and beat them again. It's been 5 more minutes, so I'm going to stir it again. And I'm actually going to add the egg yolks to it. We got 4 egg yolks we're going to add. What I do is just take out a little bit of the pudding and I add it to the eggs so we can gradually warm them up. So then I'll add this. And stir it. Okay, and we're going to cook about 3 to 4 more minutes. Okay, got it done. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and 3/4 cup of coconut. Okay, so you stir that together and let your butter melt. We're going to pour it in now. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we're ready now to put the meringue on, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it. All right, then just kind of spread this out with your spatula. Then we're going to make some peaks on top. And then you can just kind of go like that and get your little peaks. Okay, so you just get your little peaks on top. And then we're going to put it in the oven at 350. 350 for about 15 minutes. It's been about 14 minutes. And it looks like it's done, so I'm going to take it out. So just depends on your oven. And then you just let it cool and it's ready to eat. We're going to let it completely cool before we cut it. So we will do that later, and we'll be back to let you see it.
Okay guys, we're back. We have our coconut cream pie done, and it turned out great. It looks really good. And that it was pretty easy to make. It didn't take too long, and now it's turned out great. So we're gonna try it.
Think.
It's really good. Do you like it?
Oh yes. Got our milk.
Mm-hmm.
We love our milk. We're hoping our next video we can have our special guests back with us, Aunt Roberta and Grandma Rudd, and we're going to do Roberta's favorite recipe, peach cobbler.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment, and also subscribe if you want to see more of our recipe videos. And check out the links in the description to our social medias, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye.
That's how tall
Oh,
I
my
am.
fingernails look bad.
Yes.
Look at them. Oh, my hands are wrinkly and my nails are a mess. Click the right corner. Right, that's left.
Well, you were like...
I said click the... Oh, how I love Ah! Yeah. It's horrible. We can't eat after 10, right?
Weird laugh.
In real life.
I said do your weird laugh. In the world.
Cobbler.